Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink and May. Today I have a set of clean and simple cards using a masked blended background. So let's get started. For this card, we're going to be using this Timber stamp set. This is a new release for November, and we are going to be using 2 sentiments for the set, and I have pre-colored my image. We're going to be using a light blue ink, black embossing powder, and cardstock. We're going to begin by masking our actual card base. And I'm just going to be using a white piece of paper, and I'm just going to blend up from the bottom of the edge of that paper to create kind of a billowy cloud. This is a great way to create several cards at the same time. You can raise or lower your piece of paper to center or to lower your color focus. Now I'm going to use 2 different sentiments. We are going to stamp these in clear embossing ink and then covering with black embossing powder. And to make that a little different, I'm going to stamp one on the bottom and one on the top. Once those are done, we are going to go ahead and flicker a little bit of iridescent paint, or you use white paint. I'm going to put some foam adhesive on the back of my hunters and place those over the mask background. To add a little bit of snow and dimension, I'm adding some flat back sequins, and it kind of looks like snow. And that does it. This is a great way to make tons of cards using the Timber set. This is guy friendly, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much.